Well, we're sitting here waiting for the rain to stop, and it's not. He's an expectant dog. Just waiting, aren't you, Remy? You've got to be careful and wait for the rain to stop, because it's a grey sky out there. So there she is, waiting patiently. And the other dog out there, well, Diesel, he's just... Wait, come in here, you... Wait, come on. Into bed, up to bed. Diesel, Weasel, up in here. Come on in. Diesel, come on, Diesel. There he goes. Big Diesel and Remy, they're waiting. Diesel. Oh, I know. Yes. We're waiting, aren't we? We're waiting for the rain to stop. And it's not going to. Look at the rain on that window. And they're just going to get... Look at these two faces. Remy, look at these faces. Diesel. Hey. Big Diesel and Big Remy. They just want to get walking, don't they? Just want to get walking. Look at that flash. Poor Diesel. Got to wait until the rain out there stops and then we'll go. Okay? Yeah? So, that said, we'll have to wait. What are you doing over there? Ready to go? No, I guess not. Anyway, till next time.